Hi everyone, today we are making onion dressing, a popular Japanese dressing made with grated onion. You can buy it in a bottle, but it is quite easy to make. These are the ingredients. For complete recipe, please visit our website japanesecooking101.com. First, we grate the onion. It's okay to use a food processor instead of a grater if that works better for you. Transfer the grated onion to a small pot and add the rest of the ingredients except oil, soy sauce, rice vinegar, and sugar. And we are going to cook it at medium heat and let boil for a couple of minutes, stirring constantly. Cooking the onion makes it much milder and it simply tastes better. Finally, mix in neutral flavored oil. Let cool and pour it over salad. This dressing is so tasty with full of onion flavor. It is not only good on regular salad, but it's also great with grilled meat and seafood.
美味しい。美味しいね。